I do think they're out there.
I believe so, too.
I really do.
What about you, Tony?
I do.
No, I mean, I don't definitively.
As journalist Gayle King clearly states her logical conclusion that intelligent life exists elsewhere in the universe, you may be surprised at the gentle ridicule challenge offered by co-anchor Tony Dokoupil. Here's the full segment from the CBS GoldenEye.
NASA says it has received more than 800 reports of unidentified flying objects from around the world since 1996. But here's the thing. Almost all of those sightings are easily explained, but around 2 to 5% of them are actual mysteries. Now, for the first time, the agency investigating these UFOs held a public meeting revealing its research.
My gosh.
Videos like these capture the hundreds of unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAP, sightings each year.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Now, an independent team formed by NASA is addressing how and why it's investigating the incidents.
The presence of UAPs raises concerns about the safety of our skies.
In the group's first public meeting Wednesday, experts stressed the need for more high-quality observations to uncover the truth.
In fact, if I were to summarize in one line what I feel we've learned, it's we need high-quality data.
The panel said stigmas leads to people being reluctant to report sightings and harassment for scientists investigating them. But many events that are studied can be explained.
The environment that we fly in, space or, an atmospheric flight, very, very conducive to optical illusions.
Retired astronaut Scott Kelly has spent more than 500 days in space.
I would see things and I was like, oh, that's really not behaving like it should. And every single time when I would look at it long enough, I would realize that it was atmospheric lensing. And because of variations in the atmosphere, it made the trajectory look like it wasn't going in a straight line.
The panel did not completely rule out the possibility of extraterrestrials.
We haven't found life beyond Earth yet, right? I mean, let's be clear about this. We haven't found it yet, but we're looking.
The 16-member group aims to release its official report by the end of July. Good for NASA. Good for NASA. Because as long as I can remember, I feel like there has been some disinformation out there that has led people astray when it comes to what we actually know about UFOs.
Some people think it's ridiculous. Some people are convinced they're out there and the government's covering it up. But this matters for national security because if some other country has an aerial vehicle that is better than ours, we want to know, right? That's another way that this can be an unidentified flying object.
I do think they're out there.
I believe so, too.
I really do.
What about you, Tony?
I do.
No, I mean, I don't definitively.
I know things, Tony.
Okay.
I know people.
Right.
No, but I do.
She goes to different dinners than I go.
No, I do think they're out there.